Not today. Good girl, Lulu. Did you lose the frisbee?
I did it.
Oh, okay. Lulu! Oh, someone wants on your lap. She wants in the water. Shoot. Hi, Lulu! Good! Good girl! Good girl, good girl, you can swim! Oh, why won't you do that at home in the pool? Wait, make sure she doesn't go out too far.
She won't.
Come here. Lulu, come!
She's okay.
I know, I'm just telling her. Let's calm her. Okay, will you watch her then, and I'll watch the Lulu. Lulabelle. Yeah. Good girl. Hi. Come here, baby. She's getting more social, you know what I mean? Like, hi, baby, so happy in the water.
I think she knows the best place to do it. It's right there.
Hi, little Flynn with her blow up. There's Daddy. What you trying to get there? She did. Oh. Man, I can't wait to go in the water with her at a beach, you know, somewhere we can. Awesome, Lulu. Don't get your sister wet. Well, just don't get her stitches wet. Yeah, that won't matter. Hi, sweeties.
Look at all the huskies.
They're gorgeous.